Resource scheduling. In ERP, that's Enterprise Resource Planning, it's the process of planning, allocating, and managing resources such as manpower, missions, tools, or work centers so that production or service activities happen on time, at the right capacity, and with minimal delays or idle time. Now, in order to create a resource scheduling, you have been given with a user credential. Enter your username and password. Click on Login. Now click on Transaction and PP on Shop Floor. You hold up Resource Scheduling, and by clicking in this add icon, you are going to create it. So here we have unit, enter your unit, then we consist of your document number. It consists of schedule rule, where scheduling rule where the job with the closest or earliest due date is given priority for resource allocation, where it holds of your critical ratio rule. It's a priority rule that compares the time remaining until the due date with the time needed to complete the job. Then comes your earliest due date, it's of prior. Then comes your shortest processing time. It schedules the job that requires the least processing time first. Then comes your slack time remaining rule. It schedules the jobs based on smallest slack time first, focuses on jobs that have the least extra time before they must be completed. So those are the rule it holds of. Then comes your loading type, which consists of individual and combined, where individual is assigning and scheduling jobs for one resource at a time without considering other resources in parallel. Then comes your combined, that's assigned and scheduled jobs for multi-resources together considering their interdependencies and sequences. So now we are placing it at individual, and we are giving a scheduled start from today, and so keep it on done. And from date I am giving it as my past dates. Then it holds of process. When you give load production order, the production orders will get displayed here, and it consists of sub assemblies. Then we have a resource requirement, which means a specific capacity, type, and quantity of resources needed to complete a job. And we have resource priority, which means the order of importance or preference given to resources when assigning a work. Then comes a mission availability. Then we have a resource that's been non-available, where we can add up our reason. And we have resource schedule details, when it's been scheduled. And have exceptions, which means a deviation from planned schedule or capacity requirement that could cause delays, overload, or unmet deadlines. The system flags these exceptions so planners can take corrective action before production or delivery is affected. And now giving save, so that those two options will get enabled. Now click on load production order in the MRP shot. So the production order will get loaded up here, and so we are going to give 1. We are just selecting one option and click on process, and I am giving this molding process. When you are clicking on the single process, this molding process will get displayed at down, which consists of your setup hours, setup minute, your run hours, run minutes, lag hours, QC hours, offset, and so on. And after enabling the option, click on save. And now give generate schedule. Then give create a firm schedule. And so the document number will be filled up. So let's see. And so the document has been scheduled. So this is how you create a resource scheduling. which holds up a firm schedule created. The status would be of firm schedule created.